I loosen this up a little bit, and I purposefully have this rubbing over to the right a little bit here, and I've got it too loose. Show you guys, when you have a belt that's too loose, you'll see it's still moving there. Well, this is actually stopped, and I push it over to the right here just so I can show you guys in this demonstration. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tighten this a little bit, just a little bit, like a turn, and then we're going to wait. What we're going to do, because it was loose, we're going to also tighten this same amount, but a little bit less. Okay? See how it's already starting to move over? So when you tighten this, it goes this way. When you tighten this, it goes this way. If you have it all messed up and it's loosened up or tight, too tight, there's another one up there too. So anyways, I hope this helps you guys, but really what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this one another tighten right here. Just wait a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my foot down. I can't really... I can't stop it now. So we know it's tight enough. Now we're just trying to make sure this thing doesn't come out of alignment, and we have it on just a really slow speed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it another little quarter, maybe a half turn at most. There we go. You're hearing it rub less and less, and you can see this little gap here is starting to get wider and wider, and this one's starting to get smaller and smaller. So I'm going to give it another, well actually let's give this one a little bit, just a tiny bit. I always like to give a little less on the side I'm trying to pull it over to, because when you tighten it, it goes the opposite way. So we can give this one another little tighten here, and we should hear that last little rub go away that's coming from up there. See? Give it just a sec here. Come on, go away. We can give it a little bit more. It's being pessimistic. It's being rude. Okay, we can give it a little bit more. Just like that. Once we got this side adjusted, we can tighten this up a little bit more, but not much. Because ultimately, we're trying to pull it this way. So you can see it's starting to come the wrong way now. It's coming back over here. So what we're going to do, we can give it a little tighten here. I hope this video helped. I didn't want to make it too long because I knew it was going to piss people off. So, but as you can see, I'm just showing you for demonstration, so you guys don't have to do that. And taking the top cover off lets you get to that adjustment screw, and that's ultimately what helped me fix all of this, because that one was off and it was going into this and this side, and ultimately I had to adjust all of them. But I had to loosen these up, and I had to count the amount of turns that I did to loosen them up. So, anyways, I hope this helps. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. And again, I'm going to give this just a tiny bit more of a tighten, and it's going to pull this a little bit over this way. But also, you're hearing that rub. It's not there anymore. So thank you guys for watching, and take care. Have a great Christmas. Happy New Year.